Welcome to the channel, and today we're checking out the George Foreman grill. The family grill, ladies and gentlemen. It's got the little kickstand so I can drain the grease. Is that pretty cool or what? Super simple to use. Plug it in and wait for the green light to turn on. When the green light does turn on, slap on your food, and that's it. So you see right on the face here, a little worn down or something, discoloration. I don't know if you noticed that. Not the easiest thing to keep clean. Kind of has a little washed out kind of look to it. And the first time I plugged it in, it did smell like plastic. It's kind of gone away since, but good thing to note. I threw my chicken on. Awesome chicken thigh recipe. This thing is great at cooking chicken thighs. So I throw it on, 14 minutes, come back, and they're done. I've known this because I've cooked it and done the temperature on them, so I know the time's 14 minutes on this particular recipe. But this thing does cook it pretty good. So there you have it. I took this chicken off, and just like barbecue style, I wanted to, on the barbecue, just brush it off, throw the other chicken, the new chicken back on, right? Flames are raging. So in this way, barbecue style, just threw the other chicken on without cleaning it, just to see how it would be, how it would handle it, right? I don't want to have to clean it. So 14 minutes later, chicken's done. This is the aftermath. Double chicken cooking. Is it the easiest thing to clean? No, it's not. It's kind of annoying, but it's not too bad either. So I just use a nice mild detergent and a nice medium brush. You don't want to be too hard on this thing, especially on the actual grill itself. You just use a nice light brush, nice light detergent, and just scrub it away, nice and light. Do quite a few passes on it because you don't want to press too hard. You just want to very lightly scrub off that stuff. It took me 4 or 5 nice light passes like this to get it fully clean. So it's not the easiest thing in the world to clean, but it's also not the worst. So yeah, overall it's a pretty good unit. Great for apartments. Kind of cool. It works as a panini, cooks meats. I've cooked tons of stuff on it. Kebabs, burgers. Just clean it right away. Cook it, clean it right away. That's my tip, because the stuff gets stuck on pretty hard. But it's great for apartments.